Hello everybody. I have the hiccups. Please excuse me. I have the hiccups. This is probably like our 8th walk today. I just got home from a scrapping job. And I wanted to come outside. Sorry, I have the hiccups. You're walking in circles, girl. Oh, goodness. Okay, we're gonna go back here. What are you looking for? Was there a missing kid back here or something, Lumpy? What? Okay. Sorry guys, that was a fail. I can't even pick it up. I'll throw it that way. She loves that ball. Don't worry, we're gonna go on a walk later. You got it. Good girl. Come on, let's go in. Come on, mommy gotta get her food. She got food in the microwave. We'll be back later, guys.